Hey everybody, this is Ryan. I'm gonna give you an overview of this basketball goal that is meant to be mounted on a trampoline set. And what all comes with it as far as balls and all the mounting stuff, how easy to put on, how fast you can put it on, and some up-close quality that you might want to know. Now this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, you bounce around on the trampoline. Can you give us a review? Can you do an overview of this here basketball net? Who am I to say no, but no way whatsoever with this being provided to me to make this review? I'm just here to keep it real. So first off, this comes unassembled, so it does not look like this, but it took me all of about 5 minutes because you really only have about 4 bolts on this side, a couple more bolts on this side, and this is meant, it comes with all the hardware to mount this on a trampoline with the tops curved in. Tops curved in. So if your trampoline is like that, it comes with these brackets that would go here. And so if it's being curved in, this would go like this would go in here, and then it would mount just like this. But in this example, the particular trampoline I'm mounting this against does not have curved at the top. They're straight up and down. Now it also comes with not one, but 2 of these. It does come with a pump and the nozzle to pump these up. All the hardware you need comes with this, and again, very simple to install. Now, from a size standpoint, this is actually a pretty good quality and size. And so from a basket size, width here is about 12.5 inches. And then the backboard here is 20 by about 15. So you can kind of wrap your mind around the sheer size of this. So this is what it looks like mounted. Take into consideration, these are straight poles that go up. So in this example, it's not being mounted with the extra hardware that allows for a curve. So if there is a curve at the top of a trampoline, you would use the extra provided hardware to mount it so it flush just like this. This is actually very sturdy. Balls go in nice and neat, even if you don't make it. So if you're looking for a basketball hoop to add to a trampoline, this thing is legit. Hope that helps, and we'll talk to you soon.